Need the best auto body shop in the Round Rock, Texas Walnut Forest area? If you are searching for an auto body repair shop in Round Rock's Walnut Forest area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Round Rock, Texas Walnut Forest service, body collision repair. Quote, as a vehicle proprietor, it is your responsibility to look for specialist aid for auto repair solutions whenever required. This is due to the fact that the innovative modern technologies used in vehicles calls for a professionally trained technician to remedy them if the demand occurs, and also looking for inexperienced aid might do even more injury than excellent. While we could assume that describing an user's manual is all we require to obtain the essentials right in our vehicle, it's constantly far better to go to a car service center, as one action failed can create chaos over the full performance of your vehicle. It is best to search for a firm that has comprehensive experience in this sector, and also which has a heritage of consumer complete satisfaction. It's constantly far better to be secure than sorry when it comes to something as important and also pricey as a vehicle. In addition to normal maintenance and also upkeep, there are numerous various other solutions that can be carried out by a car service center. The demand for car crash repair work is just one of the most awful problems for any kind of vehicle proprietor. Nonetheless, with the dependable solutions of specialist technicians coming to you, you can recover your vehicle back to being just as good as brand new, without needing to invest a lot of money. It is essential to guarantee that all the tools, paints, structures, etc., made use of are of the most effective top quality, which the car service center has the required framework, such as humidity control, required for the procedure. Car Information Solutions can do you an entire globe of excellent if you enjoy your collection of wheels and also would certainly such as to delight in some lavish treatment. Right from getting rid of sticking around smells, this procedure drapes and also safeguards your vehicle's insides, making it spotless. You can conserve a great deal of cash by picking innovative touch-up strategies and also rubbing approaches with no-swirl warranty, which conserves the demand for a repaint. The solution of Paintless Damage Repair Work, PDR, located at some car service center is additionally a fantastic means to obtain ideal vehicle outsides on a spending plan. Ensure that the solution is carried out by trained PDR specialists. You can additionally gain from a host of added vehicle repair work solutions relying on your demands, that include indoor and also furniture repair work, and also windscreen repair work. A specialist car service center is one area that you certainly will not be sorry for driving your vehicle right into. Auto body repairs near you for Round Rock, Texas Walnut Forest. Come by a local auto body shop in the Round Rock, Texas Walnut Forest area to get your SUV back on the road without delay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.